Good morning to Honorable Director Sir, Usha Ma'am, worthy Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear students. We all are here very glad and gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. At this auspicious occasion, I, Gurjot Singh, on behalf of Brahmaputra House, would like to welcome you all for exciting Children's Day celebrations.
There are few things we can't buy. One of those are childhood days, and that we realize once we grow old. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of our country, said India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha Nehru. His love for children is well known. In order to commemorate his birth anniversary, every year, November 14 is celebrated as Children's Day.
Nehruji brought a revolution in the field of academic in India and was involved in establishing All India Institute of Medical Sciences, the Indian Institute of Technology, the Indian Institute of Management, and the National Institute of Technology. He was also very vocal about the need for good education.
Nehruji very well quoted, "Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Only through right education, a better order of society can be built up."
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the name that is known by every little child of our nation. He was a proficient leader, orator, freedom fighter, and was a man of great love for the country. Nehruji is also known as architect of our country, as he was a pronounced leader and director of modern India. The Discovery of India is one of the famous books written by Jawaharlal Nehru.
Born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad to a Kashmiri Pandit family, Jawaharlal Nehru was the son of Motilal Nehru and Swaroop Rani Nehru. In his early years, he was sent abroad for his studies. He completed his education from Harrow and Cambridge University of England.
Nehru ji did not have much interest in law. However, he was highly interested in politics. Still, he became a lawyer, and at the age of 24, he got married to Shrimati Kamla Devi. Undoubtedly, Chacha Nehru was a man of peace and gave the slogan "Aram Haram Hai," which simply means rest is not best. After seeing how badly Britishers treated India, he decided to join the freedom movement. Nehru's love for his country enabled him to join hands with Mahatma Gandhi, popularly known as Bapu.
During India's struggle for freedom, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was imprisoned 9 times. Nehru was jailed by the British for a total of 3259 days, which adds up to 9 years of his life spent in jail. But his love for the country did not get any less, instead it increased. In 1935, he wrote his autobiography in prison. The book that was written by Nehru titled Towards Freedom.
An erudite man that he was, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru authored several books in English, including The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, and his autobiography, Toward Freedom.
For Chacha Nehru, both children and roses reflected the finest blend of grace and beauty of the world. So he always kept a rose tucked in his jacket.
Children always tend to get excited when some fun learning element is added to their learning. With activity-based learning, we can give wings to their imagination. So my dear children, keep learning, keep growing. Happy Children's Day.
You have to touch the sky as well as stay connected with the roots. So let's explore to learn. God bless. Happy Children's Day.
Dear students, a strong belief in yourself can achieve your goal. Deep down inside, you know you can do anything. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, children. Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. So we should take care of these tiny dots and blossom them like a flower. Happy Children's Day, my kids. Thank you.
Kindergarten is a place where children develop their ability and talent. So students, I wish you a very happy Children's Day.
Dear students, try, never cry. You should try new things till you achieve your goal. Happy Children's Day.
Mathematics may not teach us how to add love or minus hate, but it gives us a hope that every problem has a solution. Happy Children's Day.
Dear students, treat others the way you want to be treated. It means if you want kindness, you have to be kind towards others. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day.
Be your best at all times. Happy Children's Day to all.
Hello children. The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. So grab as many chances as you can. Happy Children's Day all of you, and we miss you a lot.
Good morning, students. As you know more, you grow more. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, teachers.
Good morning,
ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
Nothing today. We are notes for a class. We are getting ready for the class.
Oh.
Ma'am, something special? Wow, you are so pretty.
Oh, thank you so much.
Anything special today?
Today is Children's Day.
So what? That is for children only.
These are responsible. We have to celebrate this day.
Okay.
No, very well.
Teachers, let's move for a classes. Time.
Chalo bhai. Move fast. Move fast.
I'm really very excited to go into the classroom, because I have bought chocolates, toffees for them, and they will be very happy.
Really?
Yeah.
Chalo,
Let's
move
go.
fast.
Let's move.
Okay,
Yeah.
ji.
Where are the students?
Students. Oh. Pin drop silence in my classroom. This is really very sad.
No students. Oh, this is pandemic times.
What happened, Bharti? You're looking very upset today.
Yes, ma'am. I'm really very upset. I went in the classroom and no children were there. And no excitement, no celebration. What kind of children day it is?
You understand it is all because of Corona.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. I totally agree with you. Corona has affected many lives.
Yes, ma'am. And you know, teachers' life is totally incomplete without our children.
Yes, Bharti, I understand.
Everything will keep taking. आज नए मौके हैं
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Teachers, why are you looking so sad?
Mom, actually we are missing children. Their presence we are missing.
I know we all are missing our children.
The moments spent with them, the kind of preparation we used to do with them, the discussions regarding the Children's Day, the entire atmosphere of the school, it doesn't feel that it's Children's Day basically without them.
Yeah, their bubbly nature, their presence in the environment. School, environment becomes lively when we find children around us.
Exactly.
We all are missing. But I believe we were sharing some jokes, something about the children. What was that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, one child of my class, Jayesh, he was like, कि मैम पूछूं एक आपसे बात मैं बोला yes. तो he said कि मैं बोट में बैठा हूँ and then उसमें छेद हो जाता है. Then what will happen? And I said कि if you are in a boat और उसमें होल आ जाता है then पानी अंदर आ जाएगा बोट के. वो तो हो मैम you don't know anything. मैंने बोला what happened? बोला मैंने तो पानी में बोट उतारी नहीं. So these things we are missing with the kids.
Really?
Yes.
Once it so happened, I am also missing RM of class 6. He said कि मैम एक जोक सुनाओ. I said सुनाओ. तो बोलता है कि एक बार ना एक आदमी की ना भैंस गुम हो जाती है. तो उसका फ्रेंड उसे बोलता है कि जाके ना पुलिस में रिपोर्ट करवा दो. तो वो कहता है कि मुझे तो लिखवानी आती नहीं है तो क्या बोलना चाहिए मुझे वहाँ पे. तो उसका फ्रेंड सजेस्ट करता है कि इसको ना थोड़ा सा सीन बना के बोलना कि चांदनी रात थी, तारे चमक रहे थे, चोर आया, दीवार को बांध के भैंस को ले गया. एंड और वो फिर आदमी जो है वो कहता है ठीक है ये अच्छा आइडिया मैं ऐसे ही करता हूँ. और वो जाता है पुलिस स्टेशन जाता है और वहाँ पे रिपोर्ट लिखवाता है कि कुत्ते चमक रहे थे, तारे भूक रहे थे, चोर आया, भैंस को फांद के दीवार को ले गया.
Really, they come out with such good jokes. Yes. You make they make the environment so lively, and you enjoy teaching also.
Yes, ma'am, we actually miss teaching the traditional ways that we used to have. This is just that we are learning to go with the flow. But otherwise, we actually miss that children sitting, you look at their expressions, that interaction, everything.
that टाइनी थॉट्स हमारे पास क्लास में आके कई बार बोलते हैं आज तो मैं नानी के घर जा रहा हूँ, आज मेरी मम्मी का बर्थडे है. मतलब दे यूज्ड टू शेयर मेनी सीक्रेट्स विद अस. आज मम्मा ने गुस्सा किया मुझे, मैंने खाना नहीं खाया इसलिए मम्मा ने मुझे गुस्सा किया. वी रियली मिस ऑल दीज थिंग्स.
I remember one substitution that I had in a junior class, and the child came to me and said, "आज मम्मा पापा की सुबह लड़ाई हुई, मम्मा को टिफिन ही नहीं दिया."
Oh, but they learn a lot when they come to the school.
Yes.
We teach them sharing, like you said, कि अगर टिफिन नहीं लाए हैं तो फिर then we tell other students कि they must share it. So instead of calling up the parents, that is how they learn sharing also.
And in fact, मैं मुझे लगता है it is a two-way process. खाली वो नहीं सीख रहे, हम भी उनसे बहुत कुछ सीख रहे हैं.
That is always there.
That is always there. It's a two-way learning.
And students are missing their annual trip also. They were saying कि मैम ट्रिप तो होगा ना इस बार.
We are also missing.
Even they are missing their school bus. when one day I was teaching in class that this is a bus, and the ma'am we used to come in bus. मैं बोला हाँ ये आप झगड़ा भी करते थे. The nanny came to me and complained कि ये बच्चा बहुत शरारत करता है. But they are missing their school vans also.
They learn from each other.
Yes.
When they travel, when they sit together, when they eat together, they learn from each other, isn't it? That is there. But what to do? I agree with you all that we all are very sad about it, isn't it?
Yes.
But then safety is also as important as being regular in studies.
It's foremost at present.
Yes.
You have to have stream of education flowing, isn't it?
Yes.
But what to do? There's no other way. I think this is the best option. And hats off to you all and to the children who all are cooperating with us. Even I would like to thank parents also.
Absolutely.
Without their cooperation, we wouldn't have been able to do anything.
This wouldn't have been possible.
Wouldn't have been possible. So whatever it is, now this Children's Day also, they have to celebrate at home only. But I think they will enjoy our chit chat when we telecast this. And let me convey to all the children.
Wish you a happy Children's Day and a prosperous Diwali.
Good morning, students. When you compete with yourself, you have to set goals tougher than your previous goals and try to accomplish those according to your caliber and standards set by you. It should not be in comparison with anyone, but for your own improvement. Happy Children's Day.
आपके कर्म ही आपकी पहचान है, वरना एक नाम के हजारों इंसान हैं। प्यारे बच्चों, इस बाल दिवस पर आप सबको यह संकल्प लेना है कि समाज में ऐसा नाम कमाओ कि दुनिया आपको सलाम करे। आज आप अपने माता पिता के नाम से जाने जाते हो, कल को ऐसी पहचान बनाओ कि आपके माता पिता आपके नाम से जाने जाएं। बाल दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
Dear students, if you will support, guide and lead others, if you will make contributions to their lives, you will definitely get the best rewards. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Amazing things happen when you try. So students, don't sit back at home and be lazy. Keep on trying new things, do new experiments and keep on learning. Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, student life is very enjoyable and beautiful, yet very hectic period of life. So, as a student, you need to remember two things. First, laziness is your worst enemy and hard work is your best friend. So, dear children, be punctual, be confident and work hard. Happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank you.
Love yourself, respect yourself and encourage yourself. And always remember, believe in yourself. Anything is possible. Happy Children's Day to all.
Dear students, whenever you get pain in your life, just think about the full form of pain. Positive attitude in negative situations. Just follow it and the life will change. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Dear students, we all face lots of difficulties during our lives. But when it happens, you all need to never give up on trying. So work hard, dream big and never give up. Happy Children's Day.
क्या हुआ यदि रास्ता कठिन है? जिंदगी कांटों का सफर है, हौसला इसकी पहचान है। रास्ते पर तो सभी चलते हैं, जो रास्ता बनाए वही इंसान है। तो अपना रास्ता बनाते चलें। Happy Children's Day.
Dear students, on this special occasion, I want my students to enhance their vision and be optimistic. Happy Children's Day.
There comes a time when we hear you sad and call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that's our one. children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
To try and fail is better than giving up. Your attempt may fail, but never fail to make an attempt. Failure can teach us a lot. If plan A doesn't work, change the plan, but never change the goal. Happy Children's Day to all of you. A plus B का whole square, A square B square 2AB. Thank you.
सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जाना है। तुम्हारी मंजिल तो आसमां है और रास्ता खुद ही बनाना है। So dear students, have a firm belief in yourself. Always trust your instincts. If you think you can, then definitely you will. So, happy Children's Day.
Dear students, luck comes from hard work. If you want to get success in your life, you need to come out of your comfort zone. You will get success only when your talent, hard work and luck, all three will intersect. All the best and happy Children's Day.
कदमों की काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं, वो ही मंजिल पर पहुंचते हैं। Happy Children's Day to all.
My dear students, during such unprecedented times, I wish that you all should give wings to your thoughts, nurture your ideas and be an aspiring soul. Happy Children's Day!
Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the whole world. So my dear students, do work hard, achieve your goal and happy Children's Day to all of you.
My dear students, during this adverse time, I expect you to change the adversity to a meaningful opportunity. Happy Children's Day and yes, we miss you.
Dear students, once you replace your negative thoughts with a positive one, you will start getting positive results. Thank you and happy Children's Day.
Every child comes to the world with a special message that God is not yet discouraged of man. Every child who comes into the world is a new thought, an ever fresh and a raging possibility. A very warm wish to all the children on this special day. Happy Children's Day to you.
बचपन के दिन भुला न देना, आज हंसे कल रुला न देना। ईचक दाना पीचक दाना, दाने ऊपर दाना। कितना प्यारा था बचपन मस्ताना। जी हाँ, यह बचपन के दिन कभी लौट कर नहीं आते। मौज मस्ती से भरे ये हमारे जीवन के अहम हिस्से होते हैं। जीवन के इन पलों को संजोने के लिए हमारे माननीय डायरेक्टर सर श्री बी गुप्ता जी यथाशक्ति प्रयत्न करते हैं। उनके द्वारा किए गए प्रयासों और समर्पण से समाज के कई ज़रूरतमंदों और गरीबों के चेहरों पर मुस्कान आई है। गुप्ता सर समाज के लिए एक उदाहरण हैं। तो आइए उनके द्वारा किए गए कुछ सराहनीय प्रयासों की एक छोटी सी झलक देखते हैं। गुप्ता सर द्वारा करवाई जाने वाली नारायण सेवा एक प्रशंसनीय कदम है, जिसमें वे समाज के पिछड़े और गरीब वर्गों के लोगों को जीवन की प्राथमिक सुविधाएं जैसे कि भोजन, कपड़े और दवाइयां उपलब्ध करवाते हैं। माननीय गुप्ता जी ने हमेशा से उभरती प्रतिभा को प्रोत्साहित किया, चाहे वो किसी भी क्षेत्र के हों। डीसी मॉडल और डीसी मोंटेसरी स्कूल से जुड़े श्रेणी 4 के कर्मचारियों के बच्चों को वे निःशुल्क शिक्षा प्रदान करते हैं और इन्हीं सराहनीय प्रयासों के कारण हमारे ड्राइवर श्री राजकुमार जी की बेटी काजल चौधरी ने कक्षा 12वीं में 93% अंक लाकर न केवल गुप्ता सर को बल्कि पूरे डीसीएम परिवार को गर्व महसूस कराया। इसी प्रकार एक अन्य कर्मचारी की बेटी साक्षी दुबे ने भी ओलंपिक वॉलीबॉल टीम में अपना स्थान बनाया। इसके लिए साक्षी दुबे को सरकार की तरफ से 1,20,000 धनराशि इनाम स्वरूप मिली। आजकल जिस प्रकार से समाज में नैतिक मूल्यों का हनन हो रहा है, ऐसे समय में माननीय गुप्ता जी के मार्गदर्शन में बाल विकास के नाम से नैतिकता पर आधारित कक्षाएं आयोजित की जाती हैं, जिसके द्वारा बच्चों में नैतिक मूल्यों के बीज बोए जाते हैं, जो समय के अनुसार फूल बनकर इस समाज में अपनी सुगंध फैलाते हैं। अपनी माननीय स्वर्गीय माताजी को सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए आदरणीय गुप्ता जी ने मेधावी छात्रों के लिए कस्तूरी देवी मेमोरियल स्कॉलरशिप नाम से एक स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम शुरू की है, जिसमें हर साल बच्चों के अंकों के अनुसार उन्हें 100%, 90%, 80% तथा 70% शुल्क माफ किया जाता है। यह नन्हा सा प्यारा सा मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा किसी और का नहीं बल्कि हमारे माननीय डायरेक्टर श्री बीबी गुप्ता जी का है, जो आज एक परिपक्व वृक्ष के रूप में DCM फैमिली के हर सदस्य को शीतल छाया प्रदान कर रहे हैं। तो बच्चों, हमें भी अपने डायरेक्टर सर की तरह न केवल परिवार के लिए अपितु समाज के लिए एक उदाहरण बनना है।
So children, you are the future of our country. On this day, the DCM family wishes you joy and success in whatever you do in your life. Happy Children's Day.
Harmonize.
Affectionate.
Patient.
Proficient.
Youthful.
Considerate.
Honesty.
Idealistic.
Loyal. Delightful.
Reliable.
Empathetic.
Striving.
Devoted.
Assertive.
Happy Children's Day.
Dear students, at the end, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Stay at home, stay safe, and celebrate Green Diwali.